have an uncanny ability to visualize an ascent in an instant and mentally plan each foothold before they leap up a thorny tree trunk with a near vertical incline, all while holding a dead weight in their jaws. Distraction like this, difference between life and death in a place bristling with other predators. Fortunately for leopards, the lions here are too bulky to climb trees. Sons everywhere, young, energetic lions that don't know their limitations. They are always keen to drag another cat down and rip it to pieces. Even turning around is difficult, and they often end up in an undignified heap at the base of the tree.